Ready to dive into the fast-paced world of trading and instantly buy or sell assets? Let's learn how to place a market order on Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the Stocks section, usually found at the bottom of the screen or in the Wealth tab. Next, find the stock you want to trade. Use the search bar to type in the ticker symbol or company name. Revolut will then show you a list of possible matches. Once you've selected your stock, you are on the Stocks Details screen here. You'll see the current market price and other data. Tap either the buy or sell button, depending on whether you intend to buy or sell shares. The order placement screen will appear now. You'll choose the market order option. This directs Revolut to execute your trade immediately at the current market price. Make sure it's selected before continuing. Enter the amount you wish to trade, either by specifying the amount of money you want to invest, or by specifying the quantity of shares you want to buy or sell. Before confirming, Revolut neatly presents the order summary. Review the details carefully: the stock, whether you're buying or selling, the amount, and the estimated price. Once you are ready, tap the review button to proceed. Finally, tap the confirm button to execute your market order. The trade should be executed instantly at the price available in the market. Congratulations! You've successfully placed a market order on Revolut. Remember that market orders execute immediately, so the price can fluctuate slightly. Always be aware of the risks involved and trade responsibly.